court yes.
I have filed a motion.
What file a motion?
I filed a motion
to arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case. I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself
as a lawyer.
As lawyer.
Who withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services.
Case
in the case.
Yes. We are judged. Then
yes. At any point.
I know.
I have a right.
What reason here then? Counsel, we are aware of letterway.
Me and Mitchell letter.
Okay.
Former Attorney General, in line with the law.
Okay. In all request to Attorney General.
Yes.
We requested for a drop of the charges. No plea bargain. We need to drop the charges and answer them.
The attorney said, the law gives you the platform to go into negotiations. It is through the negotiation and you be caught into terms.
Yes.
And to the terms of the negotiation would be consideration of one of these. And for now, and design terms of the negotiation. And why are we in a hurry to prescribe one of them for us when we have not indicated the preference?
Okay. In the request to the age, why
you are not required.
You are not required.
You are not required.
That's fine.
You just initiate.
That's fine. Until most starting negotiations now, then it will lead to the
terms, and the end deliverable will be the end product.
Yes. Are you by this saying, sir? Said the because me kaisa plea bargaining act we many Attorney General then in common. The understanding I got they say this act is to expand on the provisions in the Court Act Section 35, which provision also says when the agreement is made between between the accused person and the Attorney General, that agreement will be sent
between the accused person and the prosecutor, because it may well be that
and the prosecutor
may not be attended.
That's fine. And the prosecutor, what is our agreement? Never court.
Yes.
When the court adopts that agreement,
that becomes the decision of the court. That becomes
the decision of the court. But that would also mean, you would be convicted.
No. If the decision of the if the negotiated position is a withdrawal of the charges, then where is the conviction?
Okay. When the charges are withdrawn, then there can be no conviction.
There can be no conviction.
Okay.
We need to have understanding of some of these things because speculation is worrying. And the criminal justice system, we are careful. The way we encourage people to, propagate with some provisions of the law. And yet, and now appear could be, or external hands about into a criminal jurisprudence and your crowd. In fact, external hands created by a constitutional law munukran. A higher basic no.
Abusiana afeyem kwatie die ntia lawyer and the appear could be was a filing motion or pese or training who free chairman Wontumi case or more train judgment on 3rd July at as a one net demon tintimaya free witness near this said was what training who free sa case name yenti di intra.
So there's one time a person will clarify on
let's go back on plea bargain.
So this plea bargain in relation to which case? You said the state is in court with Wontumi on 2 cases. In relation with
this is in relation with Republic versus Wontumi
and two others
on
Exim Bank.
Where
Samra boy
anyway.
Okay.
Now Obi and come picture say Ubeba court no abehwe proceedings na ekoso no. In those cases, I can share with you the record of proceedings in the cases. But but can we honestly convict on the records? Now, I know the NTV calling him.
Fortunately, the record is what is before the judge.
Yes.
And the judge will not be minded.
I always cry that I pray that the court is a court.
Yeah.
That is my prayer. The only prayer that I do, they say, let us see a court making a pronouncement based on evidence.
Yeah. The evidence before the court. And not what is
outside the court. And not at the whims of somebody who is outside the court. Now you are here. Where you miss my yeah.
And for SAMRA boy the end of the year, we are all waiting for July 3rd. Our court
SAMRA
boy yes.
I have filed a motion.
What file a motion?
I filed a motion
to arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case. I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself
as a lawyer.
As lawyer.
Who withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services.
Case
in the case.
Yes. Why we are judge then
yes. At any point.
I know.
I have a right.
What reason here then?
My reasons are in the affidavit. And we will take that motion on Monday, so I will not discuss it. But I have cried in the affidavit that as a lawyer, what I feel doing the case like that. Now, I know the prayer, no, and if cry, no, then you know, for all of us as persons in the legal fraternity, say near pay me,
Is it, sir, you are.
Now, what do you show?
No, withdraw CCR because of what you think would happen on July 3rd.
No, not what you think will happen. Anything, because I pray that the court should be a court. Now, your decision, then I will come and I'll comment on the decision. But before then, I'll sound this warning. Because it stays with us and it will also we will be confronted with it in course of our time.
FM.
And you be fufro. Injustice to anybody is injustice to you.
To everyone, I agree. But lawyer, why would you do a case? You go through all the initial stages and go through trial. Judge, I'm at data or then a judgment. Now I withdraw. I file application to withdraw.
My lawyer, I check
yes.
My proceedings are
okay.
Anything say me who sent to be a free abontia. I smell it. And if you some cases near my days of proceedings. Was it name me how was it notwithstanding?
I was over.
Or chap at day.
Okay.
And no one case here no Ghana.
That's a SAMRA boy case. They say somebody was shepherding the case. Giddy.
Just a giddy. I say we need who make me. So what's
and then
me another case was a cry. We case no 2:00 court.
Really?
I'm telling you.
That's what the judge was doing.
We are going to talk about this now. Bar Association. I'm going to petition the Bar Association also. Say, Bar Association, can we sit and let this go on in Ghana within our jurisprudence? And do we want to turn our courts into persons, institutions?
Yeah, but the Bar Association may not have jurisdiction over the judge.
No, but indeed, Bar Association can speak about it.
Okay,
me,
you want
them
to
to
say about it. Me,
yes. I'm speaking my mind. And I want whoever wants evidence to confront me, and I'll show him the evidence.
But if that was the conduct of the judge, I don't know, I won't petition Chief Justice, Mom.
Well, one option.
Okay.
The other option is that I'm withdrawing and stating the reasons why I'm withdrawing.
Why you are withdrawing
I'm going before the same judge to state my reasons of resigning before her.
From the case. Before judge.
Yes.
Even before the judgment,
yes.
Who withdraw from
the
case.
must state me reasons of withdrawing before her.
And your client is aware person will withdraw.
Yes, but my client.
And none reaction here.
And I'm Obi. Me one person. You Obi boni na meti ho na me biya. I don't like it. See you Obi boni na meti ho.
In this case, why any anybody?
Okay. Generally.
Okay.
Obi me so and I'm sanity. We am boni a. We dey me Obi. Because I think that is a way to also teach you to learn. And to be careful because it will be before you. But I'm withdrawing. I'm going to state my reasons for withdrawing.
In court?
Yes, in court. Monday
I will be there. Monday.
No,
Monday I will be there.
Yes.
But on the the plea bargain request how they come age, and no dear you would be on.
Yes, we will on.
You do that
we'll
one.
be on, yes.
And they won't withdraw.
Indeed, there's another case cry As3mAba criminal court.
Yeah, criminal court.
I'm still in it.
And your womb still.
I'm still in it.
And with exam bargain.
Okay. Cross examination.
No, I'll come.
You see, now you're
no,
but one thing though,
yes,
Chief Justice, and most of these cases, you telecast it.
Political, very political cases.
No, you mean political, high profile cases.
High profile, okay.
Can you telecast it? But
you should have made call way during the trial. I don't know what trial not ended.
No, me experience and me share. And to me say better obiso. And atobia yemfanya suade ne enkwani, but we need to correct ourselves. Media, if it will take me to even hand over my license on the basis of injustice, I will so do.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Bobby, trust me, maybe nim trocha and into see me and me sorry say me can I don't decorate my language when you see I feel it. But I feel it.
But even on the Exim Bank case, yes, states are filing the charges against your client. Why don't you go through the trial?
Exim Bank?
Yes.
Well, I want to explore this possibility. Now, me say possibility will hold for settlement a win-win.
Okay.
You see, the worst form of settlement is better than the best form of judgment, because after the judgment, one is victorious, one is vanquished, and relationships are broken and all that. Now, in most cases, I want to be just to both parties, to all. And however you do your work to bring justice to both parties, I think you would have achieved settlement. And into the makers, because we are predates, and charges now evaluating evidence near there. We could have contested this. At me, let's put our heads together and solve a problem. Because when we say corruption, anti-corruption agencies are not happy with plea bargaining. Chairman Wontumi is not charged with any element of corruption. Now, how could
in all the charges,
anything that is affecting him, and to corruption, they don't understand.
Yeah, but it may not be corruption, but if it's fraud, if it's money laundering, those are also serious.
Yes, but they are different charges.
I get you.
So
but they are not any better than corruption.
Yes, they are not any better.
Yes.
But if you want to sacrifice somebody, or if you want to hang somebody, give him the correct name and hang him.
I get you.
Now, we say corruption, anti-corruption, because say
yes.
What is corruption in this one? Obi kwaji loan so the kwakoye adwuma. Issues ne wo mu no, application ne wo mu no, se document bi wo mu na wo suspect se document no fraudulently acquired. What is corruption about that? In any case, allegation for somebody to prove it. Where you, as an institution, procure consultant for the project.
Yes.
Consultant has a duty. It's a duty to be a consultant. So, fall short of expectation. Why would you saddle me with? And again, don't forget that part of the loan is paying the consultant.
Sure.
But again, we are going to plea.
But that's why some people think, and even some people in your party think, you should have contested this. I mean, go through the trial.
You must be in it to know it. You must feel it to understand it. Chairman Wontumi, we hear the peace for his life. He has a family also. He is a Ghanaian. And we hear na circumstances. In fact, circumstances of the case determine the actions. And the circumstances.
Is it the circumstances tells you as a lawyer, having me name some disclosures yet on
no disclosures
but it based on what evidence officers state nikra serious evidence be am will take the decision to go for
I did not say it is because we are afraid of the evidence of the state. No, I just said this is my advice to my client, say under the circumstances, and one big thing we need to also consider the hand of state power in criminal proceedings.
Mm-hmm. Always very powerful.
And sometimes we say to avoid sumbono, why can't we settle before we do sumboso? So that although I have the strength to also reply you, let's settle it before we get there. I mean, this is what we are seeking to do.
But again, I mean, in the settlement, no, see, ABR, your aim, okay, through this settlement, no, measure say on betia say any drop charges, no. Say Basa State they can say on drop charges. The best they can do, they say punishment, maybe on better. So what would you do?
Obi, you are trying to lead me into temptation.
Oh no.
But forgive those who trespass.
The state they can say on drop charges, no.
No, we haven't gotten
the best they can do is to drop punishment.
Punishment follows conviction.
Sure.
Now you know conviction. You better what you are drop punishment.
Yeah, but say under plea bargain, no.
Plea bargain.
Under plea bargain, what it means is that you will not go through trial again.
Yes, but where plea bargain results in the dropping of the charges.
Yes.
Where is punishment?
That's the point. But I know because one option. The state may not agree to that option.
No, it depends. In all cases, as you know, the answer to every question by a lawyer is it depends.
Very well. My main kind messages kakra abana yenya no na fe yen twaso e kosi saying say higher asempa 94.7.
Yeah, for platform education.
Sure.
Particularly in areas of law.
Yes.
To see as ordinary citizens. Yeah, you hear say you refresh your mind of what is happening even in the areas of law. So
you see on the plea, age in a data, more the best start.
Age of frame electoral am I ready? Because my manus assurances am I ready for it.
That's fine. And what I'll do is say, Monday, I'll be in the court to hear your application for withdrawal, no?
Yes.
From the As3mAba case.
Yes.
And then we take it from there. But with how the case was conducted, Oshe examination in chief, cross examination away would you be surprised say judge the client or convict your client sentence
you are still leading me into temptation, but the charges were assignment without authorization from the minister.
From the minister, yes.
And facilitating the provision of mining support service without ministerial permission.
We need two charges. Against Wontumi.
Against
As3mAba case.
Against
As3mAba case.
As3mAba. And we filed a motion in court. Say assignment bia Chairman Wontumi na akunta mining. Ayama herunkum. Ebi oha mumma a copy as part of disclosures.
Yes.
There is nothing like that.
Okay.
And response to the court to say under land law, New Land Act 2020.
Yes.
Say for assignment to be valid, it must be documented and authenticated and endorsed by signatures.
Sure.
If there is nothing like that, if the law says there's no there's no
law
assignment,
prescribes a procedure
it has for to be a valid assignment, and it is not provided, and we still my assignment. I say emremuno say utu na mienu a ene chese watumika
e wo say utu mienu
so utu mienu asan watumika
boy feel
metimi baby boy feel metimi baby timakonwa so na wa charge me say apia ku bi watumika na me se mika na metu me firi hin ne ko hin wo say da bi unko baby anzo watumika. Is this law?
Oh,
this is the situation we have
based on the two charges, no?
And I say mining support services providing my money. A providing my mining. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chairman Wontumi any akunta mines. There is no evidence to suggest that oil mining. And to support services, if it was even so provided, who did they provide it to? Support services provided in a vacuum.
Yeah.
And it's out the baby, that's a mean, and who say, Bollagu, a feature, and that's a me, copra ball and one. So,
yes,
no, Bonnie Bay and the Maya under the law say, copra will be a feature or ma quaya. Nasa wa mami kwa kra na se miama kopra. Why would you charge me? The house owner. Yeah. So mining support services no, it must be delivered to a miner.
And you made all these arguments in court.
Oh my brother.
And it was
in fact,
yes.
In fact, it was rather chairman Wontumi na otro letter call Regional Security Council say illegal miners e wo masase so etu agudie. Na mumra na mepam wo mu. And there is record say
to show
Regional Security Council for na ba bepam nkrofo chinkrofo. Even in evidence here China for bikra where are they? Emma eno so kra no regional minister then eba be dia dance a oba ho ebehwe ebe chinkrofo no bi. Eno echi o say asase mebre wo Ghana ha illegal miners atutu amena aye dangerous. Onipa kofa ho na dwekura betime to mu bewu. Aniti Ghana for as policy no ye say ye encourage community say baby am behu say nkrofo akoye illegal money amotutu amna anadwo betime di as3mAba no community mo amfa community support enna mo nkokenhum say ne nipa nguo ama World Bank for kura ma isika say yamfa sika we enkoye land reclamation for illegally mined portions of Ghanaian land. Na say me yedma mami idea concession say me kotu amna me kotu agudie e wo mikro midwansa na me koye nkrofo tutu ho no mo ho say ma mikro me ma hwia me kotu amrem na me as a miner man concession holder no me nyan hyase no emrana say e hono mo e dangerous ko fa bewu nipa kura be ko fa bewu na me say ene se ne be yo no me kam amena ni nyina emu na me nua kube wo ho to reforest the place and also my body.
Wow. I mean, it's good, sir. We be charges. Nani say.
And I make say, "Kaya na kese kamu ye walk out to home." Naka say trafo ni na musuma baby. Na mutie bi. Na sem we ye king. Politics about judicial system no more. Enye 1, enye 2, enye 3. Na Ghana for ye nyina constitution am a sanctuary. The sanctuary ne judicial system.
Yes.
Se bibi obi tu obi yo ayaka de etiamra baby adwan kroni ne court. Na se court won so say ya na eni ganko bia o. So we cannot sit and allow our sanctuary to be populated by the devils that chase us.
Yeah. Thank you. Lawyer, yeah, that's in the Nyame Adoma Monday, general jurisdiction and
criminal court.
Criminal court 4. Okay.
Yes.
Nyame Adoma Monday, I'll be there. Now, Yabesha will argument, in support of the withdrawal application. And we'll do that. We'll do that. Now,
sometimes, we better who so my motivation.
Oh, sure. Me that's Papa.